Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do an awesome craft. We are going to make, using this holographic vinyl, a DIY personalized name sticker that you can put anywhere. I am going to put it on my Cricut, but you can put it anywhere you want. You can put it on your wall, your window, your car, your phone, endless possibilities. Because I'm going to stick it on something else. So I know that I need a 5x12 slice of holographic vinyl. So once you decide where you're cutting, you go ahead and cut it out. Cut it to the size you need. And another side tip is to keep track of what all your various rolls are. I always take the paper that comes on the outside that tells you what it is and everything. I always take it, I roll it up, and then I stick it inside so that if there's ever a question whether this is vinyl, whether it's an iron-on, it's just nice to have that, especially when you start to have a big, huge stock like I have. But even if you can't, or you've already thrown away your insert, it'll often say something. This one just says Cricut, but there are ones, I have some other ones that say, Cricut removable vinyl on the inside. So if you have already gotten rid of your paper and you're not sure exactly what material you've got, check the inside and see if it says. But if you're getting new rolls, that would be my suggestion, is you stick it inside so that you can always have that on hand in case you forget how to apply it, what materials it can be used with, what the settings are for your machine. If you don't have a Cricut Maker, it has all the tips on there for the Explorer Air 2 and all the other machines on what settings to do. So that would be my tip of the day. So let's get started. So you are going to lay this flat on your mat, right where it lines up with the edges. Make sure to do your best to get it right along that edge so that the computer has an accurate read of where your materials are so it cuts correctly, and then simply press down. So you're going to make sure that your mat has a clean seal. Very, very good seal so that your holographic vinyl does not roll around. I mean, oh my goodness, look how beautiful that is. I love it. I can't wait. This is going to be so pretty. So now that you've got it loaded on your mat, now it's time to jump on over to Cricut Design Space and get your whatever design you're going to do on your mat. Do whatever you would like, of course. So let's get started.
Anything, either upload your photo or image that you want to put on, whatever you want your sticker to be. I'm actually just going to type my name in and then select a font that I like, because I already know where I'm putting mine. I'm putting mine on my Cricut lid. But if you were going to say like a unicorn or something else fun like that, you would just simply upload it into Cricut Design Space. And then once you have whatever that is done, whether it's an image or words like I'm doing, once you do that, then you are going to make sure that it's scaled to the size you want. Once you have the size you want and you're sure it'll fit on your material that you've laid on your mat, then it's time to select go. I'm going to select this. I'm going to adjust it. That's one of the things I love about Cricut Design Space, is that there's so many things you can do to customize your design. So like for me, I'm able to shorten the letter length so that it goes together like it's written in cursive. So I'm just going to keep going until right there. Perfect. Now I also want to add in some shapes, and you can head over here to shapes to do that. I'm going to put in 2 cute little hearts because I think that will look really cute on either side. And rather than making another, I can simply duplicate it. Then you head over here and you click Make It. Once you've selected Make It, you need to make sure you have the correct mats. Like right now it's trying to say that it needs to be on 2 mats, but since I'm making it out of the same fabric, I just select move object, then I select the correct mat to move it to. And that way I'm not having to load 2 mats for the same project. Then I'm going to lay it out on the mat however I would like, and then you can actually use this virtual mat to make sure that your material is the correct size. So when you click continue, we're going to move on to the next phase. If you have a maker, this is where you would enter in your type of material. If you have an Explore Air 2 or anything similar, this is when I believe you would use your dial to select the type of material you'll be cutting.
Then you're going to select load. And at this point, you can choose fast mode or not. I'm going to select fast mode. And then you are going to click go. And there you have it. Now we're going to cut out our personalized sticker. Okay, now that we are finished with our cut, we're going to pull our mat out and we're going to start weeding. I'm actually just going to peel all of this off. Peel off all these little extra bits that I don't need. And most of what's left is the parts that we'll be using. So I'm going to grab my weeder. So now that we've got all of that weeded, you can get rid of the little bits that you have weeded. And now we are going to go on to the next step, which will be application.
Okay, so now that we've got all of this ready, we're going to use our transfer tape. So I actually use this masking tape because the transfer tape never works for me, and I don't know, I just love the ease of the masking tape. So I just add it layer by layer and it keeps everything in place where it's supposed to be. And I don't know why, but it's never worked for me, the transfer tape made by Cricut. I've tried all the different types and it just doesn't seem to work right for me. Usually I feel like I'm ripping it off as I go twice. And so I just I don't know, I don't like it. So you can use it if you like, but I actually like this masking tape. It's affordable, but more importantly, it works really well. So you just lay it out, use your transfer tape or your masking tape or whatever you have on hand. Now that it's ready, let's get ready to put it on our Cricut. So we're going to peel back the masking tape from the backing. And as you can see, it's really, really easy to peel right off. Nothing sticks and everything stays on because the vinyl adhesive is stronger, or the masking tape adhesive is stronger than the backing. And then when you apply it, you get it centered right where you want it, and then you simply press down and you go over it real well, just a few fingers back and forth with pressure. And once you've got it secured, you're going to peel off your transfer tape, or in my case, masking tape. And as you'll see, it comes off so easy. I love how easy this masking tape comes off. Well, normally. But yeah, so if you just peel it right off, nothing sticks to the masking tape, it comes right off. And my guess is because the adhesive on the vinyl is stronger than the adhesive on the masking tape. So I really enjoy that. When I try to remove the transfer tape, it rips off my vinyl usually. So I just use this and I love it. So if you haven't given it a try, give it a try. It doesn't leave any kind of residue and it comes off super easy. as you can see, and it's only $1, so that doesn't hurt. And there you go. Oh, it's so beautiful. I love it. It's adhered beautifully, and now I have a personalized Cricut. I love it. Feel free to use this to make whatever beautiful creations that you want. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So there you have it, a beautifully personalized Cricut made with holographic vinyl. Show us in the comments what you've made with your holographic vinyl. Keep crafting. Thanks for watching. Bye.